Uh, Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, DS with Reddy, Data Science with Reddy. So this is a second video on feature selection and on feature selection playlist. This is our first feature selection method, which is a threshold method. We are fixing the threshold value. So this is a second method. Which is related to correlation. So based on correlation, we will remove the features. The features which are highly correlated, we can remove those variables. So why? Because there may be issue called as a multicollinearity will be there while building the model. For those cases, we remove the highly correlated variables like features. So we are loading the by default method like by default dataset as a load Boston method. We have a we have a some pre-built datasets of sklearn. So among those, we have load booster method. This is our target variable. This is MDVV. You can explore that one. We'll do it later. These are the feature names. This is the features names, and this is the maybe is our target variable of our data frame. This is the head of our data frame. It's look like this. This is target, and these are all the independent variables like predictors. Here we are partitioning the target variable as an independent and independent variables, and here doing the train test split. Whatever the thing we had done on the first feature selection method, same the thing we had done. I'm doing the same thing on this method also. This is the extend and the extend the shape of this one. We have 13 columns. So for a particular data set, we want the correlation matrix. Then we can use the pre-built method called as a core. It gives a correlation of an entire data frame. This is like itself, the variable itself has the highly correlated, and 50% above the 50 to 60% correlation among between the two variables will say as a moderately. Above that one, we will say as a strongly correlated to each other. So we will discard if we have, suppose we have a index and chase as a highly correlated to each other. So then we can use any of these two variables. We won't use two variables. We will use any of two, only one. We can use only one. So here I'm. This is our in the metric form. This is the it's look like this. Whereas in visualization method, it's look like this. So here we can see the thing. What is the thing? So the crim and the here wait. I will show you. Here index and the tax is having the more highly correlated to each other. Like that, we can choose values and we can discard those values. For those cases, we have written the one automated code. It will remove the. It will show you the highly correlated variables. This is a highly correlated variables among all the features from the trained dataset. This is highly correlated to each other. Just now as we have seen. So simply we can remove these variables from the extend and xtest. This is a tiny dataset what we have performed. Then we will go through the uh, bigger dataset what we have done on the previous tutorial on 331 columns. We performed this correlation map on correlation method on that dataset. So here is the same thing. I had I had separated one target variable and independent variable. I had created the correlation map of 371 columns. Here the zigzag is there, so you won't find any highly correlated to each other. It's a very clumsy. So here is the highly correlation features of 156 among all the correlation. So I had written the method for correlation here. Don't worry about it. I will also share you the GitHub link of this code. Here is a 156 features. Is there highly correlated to each other? What are the features is there? You can see those features, and we are simply removing these correlation features by using the drop command as what we had did earlier in the first tutorial. So this is the correlation. We are after removing by using correlation method. After removing all the variables, we are with only 214 columns. We are remaining with only 214 columns. Earlier we are remaining with in threshold for the same dataset. We are constant with 280 around, I think so, 284 columns we are remaining. So here little bit easy, a little bit more columns will be deleted by using the correlation method. We have a another bunch of methods is there to select the feature selection method by using the extra tree regressor. We have some other technique is pandas profiling we have. So we will update those soon in this playlist. Please subscribe our channel and like the YouTube channel. If your feel is content is relevant, so if you want any other tutorial playlist on any other topic, just comment in the comment section. I will definitely do those tutorials. Okay, bye.